going on, guys? Talking about the camera 694, and today is Monday. I hate Mondays, people, guys. Soon. It's gonna be hot today, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It's very hot today. It's gonna be hot today soon. So today is gonna be weather day. My sister, she stay home with my auntie, maybe my uncle. She be home like a Thursday soon on 18. Before she's coming home, visit her here, right here in the house. Every time people that my sister, she want to go to visit her aunt's house, take care of those two boys, Panda and Fofo, or I say Rigo Jr. and Fabian, my two cousins. Yeah, they stay home by Tracy between the houses, neighborhoods. So people there stay here with parents that with them all the time. Yeah. Excuse me. Yeah. The people there finish the plumbers workers, they're building the cemento close to this built in the store between the traffic walk streets. So they're not finished there. They have a broke a hole inside between electricity lights. Yeah, because they're not finished the back. I don't know what time they finished that. It's gonna be weeks of wasting time that. Yeah. Yeah. Anyways, people they need is to finish. They're helping those guys, the workers, to put cement in the floor to keep safe. To want to hurt some cars accidents here between the here and the cars. Yeah. So everybody they go to school. So we finished the and Saturday, Sunday. My dad finished the work, and Saturday, Sunday, I'm in the house because my dad got finished. I'm in the house. Now we can go. He don't have no clothes to work. Don't have no pants and the t-shirt. Throw away the dumpster because they'll have no more clothes to him. He need to buy clothes to maybe the fair market to buy his clothes. Yeah, that's happens. Everybody, people they need to buy clothes because they don't have no to buy to work because she needs more clothes to see to work hard. Yeah. Hey, bro. Hey, kitties. Oh, let's see, Bob. So people they need and houses, and the chimney. And needs to put on the floor too. Plastic floor. Yeah. I need to put the lights inside the lights anywhere. Yeah. People they need to work hard because he got tired. Work hard, tired. And I put the gas water, the shower. I need to go find clean stuff like the bathroom, kitchen, and the shower, the sink water, the drawers, anywhere. Okay, the house is paid to rent the house. But they're not finished now. They need to finish more and more and more. Yeah. So anyways, everybody they need to finish their working hard there on the house for the rest of the life. Yeah. Everybody they're missing done. They will be done soon. People need to clear up the trash, those bricks, the dirt and sticks. And I'd say the back front in the street and the fence. Yeah. Because those two, they move the house soon. Well, yeah, but they need to finish that for people quickly because of the. It's gonna be hot today soon. Yeah. People, they need to finish there in the house. Yeah, they need to work hard because the houses to get tired, house to get bored, house to get change their mind. Everybody getting work because the people get late to work. It's 8 a.m. Oh yes, people, it's gonna be hot today. It's gonna be weather today. Yeah. So very soon it's gonna be wet today, hot today. So, yeah, my nose is maybe sweat. I just gotta put my cream on my face. Yeah. Yeah, people, they're getting go to school, be late in the classroom because the house could be hot today, early today. Yeah. Yeah, people, that looks good. For the people that need more stuff there. So you're missing the trash can, the green yard's okay. Yeah. Oh boy, I know this happens. And now people, they need more finish the house there. This house is not finished, not like 20 years. They built the houses between the front streets, the house. Yeah, they need to finish more game time workout. They need more working hard for the rest of the year. See, I heard that they're working. I don't know what time they finish the working that. So the house is finished now. Very beautiful. This look is beautiful, wonderful houses there. Yeah. Yeah. Everybody there look clear because the people there, marking all those people there, houses there finished there. Anytime the people that sickness, the people at home, they work hard. They need to retire now because the people there, they work hard because they need to take a time. They don't want to have problems because they don't want to get lost their job. They want to get fired. Those people that are workers. And now people, they're getting so much to do. Yeah. There's people that happens there this 6 months. And my face is so sweaty. Look at my face, am I sweaty? Yeah. Oh, because of the hot sun. Let's get the sun is gonna burn my face. Yeah. Yes, people that get sweat. Anyways, the school will be done. So maybe graduation for 3 months. 2 months. It's gonna be coming next year. It's October. It's almost Halloween. Sorry. Because it's almost my cousin's birthday, then my cousin's birthday, and then Halloween. Sorry, I forgot to drink my medicine. I forgot to drink my medicine because I feel cough and my throat is too feel alright. I drink medicine from nighttime. Now I have to drink that daytime and the morning. Yeah, people that get sick because people how you feel. You feel okay. You feel alright. You feel tired. Boring. Well, I don't feel boring. I feel okay. I do work out. Do workouts. People are taking a shower. People are going to Patterson. And I think I have to go to the store by blue. Because I was just one more piece of stuff. Covers that. Yep. Because I need to finish the puzzle before we send it to the holidays for reasons for very soon. And the train's back here. I think it's the blue train or maybe yellow train. Maybe it's the blue train. Yeah, I know it. Yep. Because the yellow train just taking the stuff, tools, and the yellow blue train will go to the future. To the future, the trip train over there, the blue streets and Hayward. Yeah, I'm thinking that there we go. Okay, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe video the whole time. Take care of yourself. Make sure to take care of yourself. Bye bye.